Now we can simplify 13.2, fifth group. The first question is 2 raised to 5 the whole square into 7 raised to 3 the whole by 8 raised to 3 into 7. Now we can change this 8 as in the base of 2. So 8 we can divide by 2, 4 again by 2 and 2. So that is equal to how many times? 3 times. So 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 5 the whole squared into 7 raised to 3 divided by 8 is equal to 2 raised to 3. But actually the question is 8 raised to 3. So if it is 1/8 we can write it as 2 raised to 3. But here how many times? 3 times. So 3 will be there. Okay. Now 2 raised to 3 the whole raised to 3 into 7 raised to 3. Now we can apply one law. A raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 that is equal to 2 raised to 10. 5 times 2 10 into 7 raised to 3 by 2 raised to 3 times 3 that is 9. So 2 raised to 9 into 7 raised to here 1, okay. So 7 raised to 1. So now we can apply a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So 2 raised to 10 minus 9 into 7 raised to 3 minus 1. So 2 raised to 10 minus 1 is equal to 1. 7 raised to 3 minus 2, 7 square. So now we have to simplify this. That is, we have to find the value of this one. So 2 raised to 1 is 2. 7 square is 49. 2 times 49 is equal to 98. So the value of this statement is 98. Next question is 25 into 5 square into t raised to 8 the whole by 10 raised to 3 into t raised to 4. Now we know 25 is equal to 5 into 5 that is equal to 5 squared. Also here one 10 is there. 10 is equal to 2 times 5. But the question is 10 raised to 3. So we can write it as 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. Okay. Then 25. Instead of 25 we can write 5 squared into t raised to 8 the whole by 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 into here one more 5 square is there, okay, that we have to write. Then t raised to 4. Now we can apply a raised to m the whole by a raised to n. Before that is equal to a raised to m minus n, and before this work we can do a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 5 raised to 2 plus 2 4 into t raised to 8 by 2 raised to 3. Nothing is there to add. Okay, so 2 raised to 3 only one time, write it there itself, into 5 raised to 3 is there itself, right there, then t raised to 4. Now we can apply this one, that is 5 raised to 4 on 5 raised to 3. 5 is the base, into 1 by 2 raised to 3. Then t raised to 8 divided by t raised to 4. Now 5 raised to 4 minus 3 into 1 by 2 raised to 3 itself, okay. Then t raised to 8 minus 4. So which is equal to 5 raised to 4 minus 3, that is 5 raised to 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 3. Here there is no other denominator, so write that denominator there itself, okay, into t raised to 8 minus 4, that is 4 itself. Okay. Then 5 raised to 1 into 1, that is 5 raised to 1 itself, that is 5 itself, okay. 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5. So 5 times 1, 5. 5 t raised to 4 by 2 raised to 3. Okay. we have to find the value. So here 5, we don't want to expand. So right there itself, nothing is there, only 1 is the power. So that is equal to 5 itself, 5 t raised to 4, 2 raised to 3. We can find the value. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That is 8 is the answer. So the answer is 5 t raised to 4 on 8. Now here we can solve this one. 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 5 itself. 10 raised to 5. We know 10 is equal to 2 times 5. 10 is equal to 2 times 5. So here 10 raised to 5. So 10 is equal to 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. What is the power here? Actually that is 5. Okay. Then we have to multiply each factors 5 times. Okay. Then 25 is equal to 5 squared. Then 6. 6 we can write it as 2 and 3. Prime numbers. Okay. Then here 6 raised to 5. So 6 raised to 5 we can write it as 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. Okay. So now we can apply all these values here. 10 raised to 5 is equal to 10 is equal to 2 times 5. But here 5 is the power. So 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. We have to give the power for each factor into 25, 5 square, divided by 5 raised to 7 into 6 equal to 2 times 3. But the power is 5. So we have to give the same power for each factor. So 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. Okay. So 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to, here 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Then here 3 raised to 5, we can make one group. Which bases are equal, that we can write in order. Okay. Then 2 raised to 5, next the base of 5, that is 5 raised to 7 itself. Now we know that a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So 3 raised to 5 minus 5 into 2 raised to 5 minus 5 into 5 raised to 7 minus 7. That is equal to 3 raised to 0, 2 raised to 0, 5 raised to 0. The value of 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 2 raised to 0 also 1, 5 raised to 0 also 1. Because a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So that is equal to 1. Here one more method we can think. Here 3 raised to 5 and 3 raised to 5. This we can cut. Here 2 raised to 5. This also 2 raised to 5. We can cut. 5 raised to 7. 5 raised to 7. The value is 1 itself. Okay. You got the idea? Okay. Thank you.